Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Googly Eyes theme on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application. Once you complete that step you need to go back and you need to open Instagram application and click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation and click on the person name on the top. Click on theme and select Googly Eyes. Wait for a few seconds and now you can see that this theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.